girl.
Good girl. She's a girl chicken.
Look at tail.
Yeah, look at her tail.
She's got all kinds of feathers everywhere, huh?
Yeah, she's a little girl.
It's where it goes. It's where it goes.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it goes.
Bobo.
The girls, yeah.
Hi, baby.
Lab, now you have to spread your legs and put her down there.
All kisses for Bobo. I hear an airplane.
This is how it helicopter too.
Oh, here you go, Bo. She wants to get up and eat. Woo!
What?
Hi, baby boy.
Did she give you a kiss? Here, hold this for her. Good job. You got to hold on tight.
Peace out.
Come here. Come here. This is how my num. Here you go.
Here, Bobo.
Come here, Bobo.
Nom nom, she says.
I said, I know you said. Yeah.
Hold some for her.
There you go.
Hold some for her. Pick it up. See,
Yeah.
Oma do it. She likes those ones.
Hey.
Careful, you're going to scare her, buddy. Careful. We don't want to scare Bo, right?
Look how gentle she does it. When your fingers are together, then she doesn't nip at your fingers.
Okay, Liam, you're feeding Bo. Did she get you? Oh, that's good. Hey, hey.
I see more, she says. I see more.
She wants it out of the cup.
Watch out the cup. Watch out.
Hold on, baby. Let her finish what's on the ground. Here, put it back in the pit. Oop, she's going to eat it right off of you. You got to hold open your hand like this. Here, watch. Sure. Whoever you... Look at that.
That's you.
She's eating it off your pants.
You see all the little pieces she's getting, huh?
Yep, she wants every little piece.
Yeah. Oh, look how nice she is. Mr.
You see the tractor? With Oma. Yep, step out there. Oma, he might need some help.
Oh, you're doing good.
Woo.
Oh, it smells good.
You want to come on this side? Okay, come here. Yep, I'm going to help you. Ooh, big steps. Good job. Woo! She's right here, buddy.
Somebody likes asparagus, so I have some asparagus on the counter.
He's going to get you, Oma.
Yay! We did it wrong. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah, baby.
Keep going.
Roll the other way now because he's laying the other way.
Roll.
All that mental energy he's got to think about. Oh, there you go.
You going to do it again? All right, cool.
Down the hill. Woo! There you go. Keep rolling.
Into the flowers.
There you go. Wow, look at you roll. You are a rolling master. Look at you roll.
Ooh.
Also still came back.
Oh, are they pretty? Do they smell good?
Make them pull away. Make them pull away.
See these two squares?
Mommy's butt. Aww.
Look at your fuzziness everywhere. Come on, we need to move.
Let's fly a kite.
Oh my goodness. Back here. You can hear the other one. Find the other one.
Yep, it's flying high in the sky.
See what happened with this butterfly?
Climb up there. Go down this one then. I'm coming, buddy. Okay, come on. Now look out, Mama, come too. This is hard. Come here. Here, Mama's right here. Come here. Come take my hand. Come here. Liam, come here. Okay, go down the bumpy bump slide. Okay, go ahead. Ready, set. Woo! Okay, I'm right here. Give me your hand. Oh, we zapped. There, get up here, get up here. Oh. Okay, go down the bumpy bump slide. Okay, go ahead.
That's big.
It's big?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead. Whoa, wait for me! Whoa! Look at you, bud! Okay. Whee! Good job, bud! Okay, go again. Wow. Yeah, they do make a big... Wow, that's amazing. Throw 'em in. Wow. Yep, like a rocket ship. Throw it. It's flying. Throw it. Woo! Whee! Okay, go again.